Hello students, I am your SSC teacher Sonu Gasana, and today we are going to do some extra work in SSC. First chapter of the social and political life, chapter 1, name on equality. Okay, fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is in India is a blank. India is a blank. Answer is democracy. 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 Okay. B. People in India experience blank in different ways. Inequality. Answer is inequality. Okay. C. Dalit is a term the that the so-called lower caste. सॉरी आपको एक वर्ड इसमें लिखना पड़ेगा. दलित इज ए टर्म दैट मीन्स that MEANS means that means the so called lower caste. Okay, lower LOVER. Got it. यहाँ पे आपको that के बाद means लिखना पड़ेगा. That means the so called lower caste. Okay. D. When persons are treated unequally, their dignity blank is violated. Answer is dignity. Okay, these are the. Now the second question, MCQs. First MCQ is Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit actor or writer. Right answer is writer. B. Om Prakash Valmiki's autobiography is Jhutan Wings of Fire. Answer is Jhutan. C. The Indian blank recognizes every person as equal. Constitution, cinema. Right answer is Constitution. Okay. There are several blank in India that protect every person's right. There are several laws, niyam, कायदे कानून. Okay, laws is the right answer. Not states. There are several states in India, but they are not protect every person's right. Okay, laws, niyam. Okay, state true or false. A. Attitudes change very slowly. True. B. The Civil Rights Act 1964 prohibited discrimination. True. C. Most African American means जो अफ्रीका के सिटीजन्स अमेरिका में रहते हैं कैन अफोर्ड टू अटेंड प्राइवेट स्कूल. ये फॉल्स है. दे कैन ओनली अफोर्ड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल because they are cheaper than private. Okay. D. The headmaster asked Om Prakash Valmiki to sweep the school, and it is also true. Okay, true. Clear. The first chapter of this political and social and political life is completed. Extra work. Now the second, in history our past, the first chapter, tracing changes through a thousand years. Question 1, fill in the blanks. There are some well known names in map like blank in UP, Kannauj. Okay. B. This map was used by blank sailors, European. C. Today we understand Hindustan as blank. Answer is India. Minhaj Asiraz was a blank chronicler. 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 Now MCQs. A. Babur used Hindustan to describe blank history or geography. Geography is the right answer. B. The number and variety of blank increased dramatically during this period. किस चीज़ की नंबर ऑफ वैरायटी बढ़ी? टेक्सचुअल रिकॉर्ड्स. Textual records. Okay, not visual records, textual record. Manuscripts were placed in libraries and archives. Archive is the right answer, not in the Almira, archives. D. There was no blank in those days. Printing press or paper? Printing press, क्योंकि पेपर उस समय था. Okay. State true or false. Historians use different types of sources to learn about the past. True. They use. B. Historians did not rely on coins and inscriptions for information. Inscription. Okay. INSCRIPTIONS. Inscriptions. Okay. Clear? For information. ये false है. False. Okay. C. The value of paper was more in 14th century than 13th century. False. ये false है, क्योंकि 13th century से ज़्यादा 14th में नहीं थी. 14th से ज़्यादा 13th में थी. D. A place where document and manuscript are called. A place where documents and manuscripts are called archive. True. True. Okay. Thank you very much, students. Yes, one chapter of that is named the resources. It has already multiple choice questions and matchings, so we don't have any problem with that. Okay, we will learn them.